Hey student, welcome. New video number 5. This is the video based on the mode. Find the mode of frequency distribution table. Class 10 mathematics statistics chapter. So mode, mode is the number which have occur maximum number of times. Means in class 9 if you say 1, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 9, 6, 1. So first you write in ascending order or descending order, that's your choice. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 9 numbers. So the mode of the following table is 1 because this occur the maximum number of times, that's 3 times. So that is the mode. But in class 9th there is a mode 2. Mode is the mode we can find for the frequency distribution table. In class 10 there is this is the ungrouped data, but we want to find the mode of group data. Group data means the data is in the tabulation form. So first we write the formula to find the mode. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula to finding the mode. So firstly we explain what's the variables term. This is what is the term. Required table. First class interval. Second frequency. Means for mode we required only 2 tables, class interval and the frequency. Just like mean we required in direct method, mean we required class mark, frequency and the product of class mark and frequency, 3 at least. So class interval and frequency. So here main thing that is a modal class, then L, then F0, F1, F0, F1 and F2 and height H. So H is same height, or you can say class size. Mode. Modal class is very important for this. If you find the modal class, you can find these all. Modal class is the, what is modal class? Class interval having highest frequency. Means in which class interval have highest frequency, this class is called modal class. L, lower limit of modal class. Means which class is modal class? So in which class have the lower limit is called the value of L. F0, preceding spelling, सही, preceding frequency of modal class. We explain all the things in the example preceding frequency of motor class. Here the frequency of motor class F1, F2 is the succeeding frequency of modal class. So these are the variables which are used to find the mode. So firstly find this all and then only put in this formula so we can get the value of mode. So let me take an example and explain all the things. I know you have to little bit confused, sir, what. So don't be confused. Take example and I hope so 100% you have to sure ki what this and find mode. Okay. So pause video, note down these things. So we'll take the example. So you have to see the example. We want to find the mode. So firstly, we take the simple example. Firstly, what is the modal class? Modal class which have the highest frequency? 315. 315 is the highest frequency. So 20 to 40 is the modal class. I say class interval having highest frequency. So highest frequency is this. So modal class is this. So we get a modal class. Then we find the value of L, F0, F1, F2 and H. Lower limit of the modal class 20. And F0 preceding frequency of modal class. This is a modal class and just before frequency, that is the preceding frequency. Frequency of modal class, succeeding frequency of modal class. I hope you understand. Preceding just before F1 frequency of modal class and succeeding frequency, and H is the class size, difference between any class intervals or the class size. So 40 minus 20 is equal to 20. Difference between this you can find any. Okay, then we can put here formula L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. 20 plus 315 minus 35 upon 2 into 315 minus 35 minus 120 into 20. 20 same 0, 28 into 20, 630 minus this plus 155, 560, 5, 7, 4. Then divide them. 5600 upon 475, so we get 11.79. So 31.79 years, because this is in years. So the mode mean whatever you find, the unit is in year. So this is the mode of the given frequency distribution table. 31.79 means the maximum average age of maximum patient is 31.7 years, which are the working in the NGO and the cancer patient, whatever the given question, that is the mode. I hope you understand what is the value of L, F0, F1, F2 and F2. The main things here, one thing more. If suppose that this 315 is here, so F1 is 315, but what about the preceding? There is nothing, so we can take 0. If F1 is here, so F1 is 50, F2 is F0 is 120. What about F2? Nothing, so take 0. Okay, so don't be confused, sir. Agar first and last we can see have the F1, so what's value of F0 and F2? That is 0. Because preceding nothing, so 0. Succeeding nothing, so 0. Okay, pause video, note down.